Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can delete apps from your Emporia tablet. You maybe don't use the app you want to delete, or you just have too many apps, whatever it is. We're going to go to all apps and then go down to the app that you want to delete. We want to delete Lieferando right now, and then press and hold until it vibrates a little bit and this pops up right here. Then you can mark your app and say delete, and then do you want to uninstall this app? Yes, okay, we want to uninstall this app. Uninstall Lieferando. So now Lieferando is nowhere to be found in our apps. We go back. It's also not down here. So Lieferando is uninstalled from your Emporia tablet. You can do this as many times as you like till you got rid of all the apps that you want to delete. So that's how you delete apps from your Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.